Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen and we're here to help you decide which oven thermometer to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mentioned are in the description down below. Oven thermometers are the perfect kitchen accessories for people who want to cook perfectly with their ovens or grills. They help maintain precision and consistency every time you bake, roast or broil, leaving no more guesswork on whether your oven is hot enough or not. With several choices on the market today, from old-fashioned analog to high-tech digital, hanging ones to standing ones, it can be intimidating to choose which oven thermometer is right for you. That is why we've prepared this top 5 oven thermometers list for you. So sit back and relax and take in all our recommendations. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The oven thermometers that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price. And where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational, list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The oven thermometer coming in at number 5 on our list is the KitchenAid 3-in dial oven thermometer. The KitchenAid 3-in dial oven thermometer is a uniquely designed, easy-to-read oven thermometer that you can use for all oven types. The large dial thermometer can be hung from a rack or a stand on its own, with the innovative rotating clip on its back. The oven thermometer measures 1.5 by 5 by 7 inches, while only weighing in at 3.3 ounces. It also maintains the large size of its colourful 3-inch dial while maintaining its lightweight nature. Its construction comprises a safety glass lens and food-grade stainless steel, ensuring the oven thermometer is durable and robust. The stainless steel construction also provides corrosion resistance so that you can use the oven thermometer for high-temperature cooking operations. The oven gauge also features a shatter-resistant tempered glass lens with a red pointer to indicate accurate temperatures. The team was impressed with this oven thermometer's accuracy and precision calibration functionality. During the test, we found that the fluctuating oven temperatures are appropriately managed for consistent results. The oven thermometer's temperature range is also impressive, capable of reading from 100 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 to 320 degrees Celsius. The team was also impressed with this oven thermometer's unique rotating clip or stand, enabling it to fit or be adjusted on most oven racks, making it incredibly easy to use. Lastly, this oven thermometer is NSF listed, ensuring high quality, having been tested on today's most respected product testing organizations. The KitchenAid 3-in dial oven thermometer is a solidly built, easy to read and durable oven thermometer that anyone would love to have in their kitchens. This is why it secures a spot on our top 5 list. The oven thermometer coming in at number 4 on our list is the copper stainless steel bimetal oven thermometer. The copper stainless steel bimetal oven thermometer is for people who want versatile and affordable oven thermometers, which is also of high quality. This oven thermometer is incredibly compact, being made up of stainless steel housing and a durable glass lens that can withstand any high temperature cooking operation. Measuring in at 0.59 by 1.18 by 0.94 inches and only weighing 1.59 ounces, this is one of the most compactly built oven thermometers we found in the market. The team was impressed with this oven thermometer's wide temperature range, 50 to 300 degrees Celsius and 100 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature is also clearly visible with its dark font on a bright white background and red graduated color wheel. The diminutively sized dial is simply jam-packed with features, including Fahrenheit and Celsius marks that register temperature changes every 50 degrees. However, the team does note that this oven thermometer presents a slightly cluttered interface with all the information in such a small package. Still, it offers a lot more versatility with its built-in hanger and stable base while staying at an affordable price. Lastly, this oven thermometer is NSF approved and is ensured to be one of high quality. The copper stainless steel bimetal oven thermometer is a compact and versatile oven thermometer that comes on a budget-friendly price. So if you love baking on a budget, this oven thermometer comes at an inexpensive price with the assurance that you won't ever burn your cookies again. The oven thermometer coming in at number 3 on our list is the KT Thermo Large 3-inch dial oven thermometer. The KT Thermo Large 3-inch dial oven thermometer is a beautiful, easy to read and accurate tool that can fit in well in most kitchens. This oven thermometer is incredibly compact, coming in at 3.78 by 3.15 by 1.97 and weighing 3.2 ounces. The team was impressed with its durable build, being made of sturdy stainless steel construction with a high temperature resisting dial outfitted with a toughened glass lens. The lens steel body comes with a rotating hook that locks easily onto oven racks, as well as a base if you prefer to keep it freestanding. The team was impressed that the feature is uncluttered with the large numbers to facilitate easy reading, even through an oven door. However, the team notes that the oven thermometer doesn't register temperatures in Celsius. Despite this, the face does have a graduated color wheel that is marked with warm, bake, roast, and broil settings. This oven thermometer is also NSF approved with a precise sensor made from Texas Instrument that gives you faster and easier recordings. The oven thermometer also registers a wide range of temperatures, making for easy calibration. With its sweet spot range of 100 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, this oven thermometer is also an excellent option for your grill. It also makes it safe for oven or grill leave-in cooking, with the oven thermometer placed or hung from an oven shelf or rack. The stainless steel oven thermometer is also easy to clean. Lastly, this oven thermometer has a 30-day money-back and 1-year warranty at the time of making this video. Overall, the KT Thermo is a compact, attractive choice for those looking for one tool that can toggle between grilling and oven cooking. Its distinctive every angle hooks and small stand base designed for easy mounting is also effortless to use. Due to these features, we think this oven thermometer offers you a lot for your money, and that's why it takes a number 3 spot on our top 5 list. The oven thermometer coming in at number 2 on our list is a Taylor Precision Products Classic Series large dial oven thermometer. The Taylor thermometer is a extra large, colorful 3¼ inch dialed oven thermometer that makes for a perfect cooking tool to add to your kitchen. This thermometer is quite large, measuring 3.15 by 1.57 by 3.74 inches, but weighs on the lighter side at only 2.88 ounces. Design is an essential factor with this oven thermometer. The team was impressed with this oven thermometer's strong stainless steel construction and the fact that it can easily orient from side and front readings. The stainless steel construction also provides strength, durability, and corrosion resistance, ensuring long-term usage. Choice of placement is simple, as it can be hung or placed on the oven rack. The stable bottom also keeps it from toppling over. The team was also impressed with this oven thermometer's easy-to-read, extra-large, colorful 3.25 inch dial. The temperature dial features a glass lens with a red pointer to indicate temperature, as well as warming, roasting, and baking zone marks for easy cooking. The oven thermometer is also highly accurate, capable of reading temperatures from 100 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. NSF approved, this oven thermometer is certified to be made with all the required standards for quality, durability, and cleanability of consumer products. Lastly, you'll be glad to hear that this oven thermometer comes with a lifetime warranty at the time of making this video. With highly accurate temperature indication and an extra large dial that is easy to read, we think that the Taylor Precision Products Classic Series large dial oven thermometer is perfect for home cooks who appreciate readability and ease of use above anything else. With the addition of NSF approved and lifetime warranty offer, purchasing this oven thermometer can be the ultimate deal. And finally, we come to the number 1 oven thermometer on our list, the Rubbermaid commercial product stainless steel instant read oven grill smoker monitoring thermometer. The Rubbermaid thermometer is perfect for conventional ovens, toaster ovens, grills, smokers, or any heat-based food appliance because of its durable materials and large temperature range. The oven thermometer displays accurate results instantly to ensure that the food is cooked in the right temperature. Designed for professional kitchens with the utmost highest quality in mind, it works perfectly in any home or commercial space. The double stainless steel construction and shatterproof lens make this one thermometer that is highly dependable. The oven thermometer thermometer also comes equipped with a convenient hanger to be suspended from an oven rack. Its self-standing design also allows the oven thermometer to stand upright on a baking sheet or pan. The scale reads in Fahrenheit and Celsius, while it is able to read temperatures between 60 to 580 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 to 300 degrees Celsius. The oven thermometer also features marked increments to facilitate accurate readings. This oven thermometer measures and displays actual oven temperature, ensuring precise results when preparing food. The team was impressed with this oven thermometer's battery-free design, which can read temperature in an instant. Lastly, this oven thermometer is officially an NSF certified product, cleared for safe use with food and kitchen environments. Made of durable material, the Rubbermaid thermometer has higher quality than most in its class. With its ingenious battery-free design, NSF approval, and broad temperature range, we think that this oven thermometer trumps all the others on the list. That is why we decided to place it on number 1 on our top 5 list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 oven thermometers which got our team in the kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next oven thermometer roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.